an opportunity? Tired of watching other people prosper and become rich while you still struggle to pay the bills? What if I told you that you can start your path to financial freedom today, and you don't even need a college degree to do it? That's right. I'm going to show you 10 online business ideas that are in demand in the American market. Ideas that anyone can start, even with no experience. If you're ready to transform your life, then stay with me until the end. The first idea is to become an affiliate of digital products. Basically, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale you help make. Best of all, you don't even need your own product. With a little training on how to market, you can turn this idea into a profitable sales machine. The demand for virtual assistants is exploding. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even busy executives need help with day-to-day tasks, and you can offer this service from anywhere. Organizing schedules, answering emails, scheduling meetings. All of this can be done from home, and many companies are willing to pay well for this support. A love of writing can take you far. Websites, blogs, and digital businesses need new content all the time and are looking for people who can write articles, social media posts, and promotional emails. With the right techniques, you can earn a good living and develop skills that will set you apart in this competitive market. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell products without having to stock anything. You create your online store and connect with suppliers who ship the products directly to customers. The best part? You only buy the product after receiving the sale, which minimizes risk and opens doors for those who have little money to start. Social media is all about visuals, and graphic design is booming. With basic training and tools like Canva, you can start creating designs for posts, stories, and ads. Businesses need this help to attract customers, and they're willing to pay top dollar for a visual that stands out. YouTube is full of people with great ideas but no time to edit their videos. Video editing is a service that is in high demand. And the good news? There are tools that are easy to learn, and with practice you can turn this into a profitable service for creators who want to grow but don't have time for editing. Businesses big and small need to attract more customers, and they use social media to do it. With the right knowledge, you can manage ad campaigns for companies, helping them reach more customers and generate sales, and you get a share of their success. If you're good with languages or a fast typist, this is a great opportunity. Companies need to transcribe meetings, subtitles, and even translate documents. It's a flexible job that can be done from home and is in high demand in a global market. Did you know that you can teach what you already know and get paid for it? It could be a skill, a language, or even life tips. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create your own courses and share what you know with others while earning money from it. You don't need to be a programming expert to create basic websites these days. With platforms like WordPress and Wix, anyone can learn how to create simple websites for small businesses. What many local businesses lack is someone with this basic skill to create an online presence. These were 10 online business ideas that are trending and that anyone can start, even without a complete education, just with training and dedication. If you dream of a life of freedom, with your dream home, with financial independence, now is your time. Don't put off this dream for later. In the video description, there is a link for you to check out our exclusive training. With it, you will learn everything you need to get started and grow in these markets.